little chefs! Do you ever feel hungry after playing or studying? We have the perfect snack for you, mini sandwiches.
They're small, tasty, and super fun to make. The best part? You don't even need to use the stove.
Before you start, wash your hands. And let's get everything ready. You'll need 4 slices of bread, butter or mayonnaise, cheese, cucumber, and tomato slices. For tools, grab a safe butter knife, a cutting board, and a small plate.
Step 1. Prepare your bread. Place your bread slices on the board. If you want, ask an adult to remove the brown crusts.
Use your knife to gently spread butter or mayonnaise on each slice. Cover the whole bread.
Step 3. Add the filling. Put a slice of cheese on one piece of bread, then add cucumber and tomato slices on top.
Place another bread slice on top. Press it gently so everything stays in place. Ask an adult to help you cut the sandwich into 4 small squares or triangles. Now you have mini sandwiches! Time to eat! Serve them on a plate with some fruit juice or milk. Fun idea! Use cookie cutters to make heart, star, or circle-shaped sandwiches. Or try adding grated carrots for crunch.
See? Mini sandwiches are a super easy, yummy snack you can make all by yourself. Now go show off your sandwich making skills.